This is a spotlight, a reading light, different kelvins with USB connections, wall mounted. You have an instruction guide to go over. Comes nicely packaged and protected. It's color black. Show you what it looks like out of the box. Has an adjustable spotlight and angles. Almost 360 degrees and straight out. You have your on and off switch, as well as another USB-A, USB-C. It plugs into a wall, AC 110 volts with an on and off manual switch. Pick a location. With an optional screwdriver, unscrew the top and bottom bolts. Place in your lead and screw down in your location. This is a demonstration hanging the unit up. Since we are not connecting to any wires but plugging into AC, this would be the area that we would plug in if we wanted to run AC here. What we're going to do now is simply close back up and lock down. We're going to plug in our AC. We turn the light switch in the on position. We hit the on switch and we adjust our light accordingly. We have another switch over here that lights up around, all around. We'll shut the lights off so you get an idea of what it looks like lit up. USB-A port has a light around the side that shows, and a USB-C port that you could plug in your phone, your tablet, and more. This is your light, a wall light. You could just have the surrounding light on, or you could have the spotlight on. Your spotlight, adjustable in any angle, light up the area. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you are looking for in a modern spotlight, reading light, and more. Thank you for viewing.